Hakabaya bat kajing IT ka uba hek uloong bakashong hakamon upai pa. Henry nakaliang jong ka sorkar kala le lut kat bala ban pensno thu bakani kajing IT ka kadehi nakbenta ban penyo e kajing kot jingkia jong ki pai pa. Ulai thu bade nakadaw jong kajing pensyai barat ba jong ka sorkar bahadu enru pho hajar mut kinong shong shnong jong ka jilla henin kasngi kila pediang ye kajing IT ka. Ulai thu bahaki por ki baminchwa kajing wan IT ka jong ki priu kalong kumba ar bat lai hajar ha kashisngi.
So the reasons for people are not coming forward for taking the vaccination, it is their individual choice. That is their personal choice of the people only. Now the detail is the choice of the people. If people didn't want to come forward to take the vaccination, this is up to them. But we are requesting them. We have made the public awareness. We have request many times to people to come forward and to take the vaccinations. If you compare with the last week, I'm telling you, yesterday, day before yesterday, we had about almost 16,000. When before we have only 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 7,000. Now it's just jumped to the 16,000. People are coming to take the vaccine. And they're very confident and encouraged now, and also already motivated them to come forward to take the vaccines. And just see the efforts the government has put in to ensure the safety and protections of the people. And the government have been doing as much as possible to reach out how to get the best quality healthcare services to the people.